Sup guys, and welcome to my channel where I give a little bit of anything and everything of interest to me. Today I'm going to share my baby girl's wash day routine. But hold up, before you go any further, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and hit that notification bell. Let's get it. So after a week of different styling and edge controls and hair product, I like to give her a nice good deep wash. So I'm starting off by just unraveling these two makeshift buns that I have on her head. Then I like to use my hands to separate the hair because, you know, hair products and edge control can get your edges a bit gunky. Today I'll be washing her hair in a salon sink, but I also do the same method in the shower. So I like to saturate her hair. Then I go in with Cantu Care for Kids Nourishing Shampoo. And I mainly focus on her edges and her scalp because that's where there's the most buildup and the most product. After I've given her a good scalp massage and wash, I like to rinse her hair off with some nice warm water. Then I go in throughout her head with the Cantu conditioner, and I just squeeze that into her strands before getting ready to detangle. Now for her detangling process, I like to separate her hair into smaller sections where I will then add a bit more conditioner and then double detangle. To detangle her hair, I like to use two brushes. I like to go in with the Denman brush, which has softer bristles and wider spacing between the teeth for a more general detangling. Then I go in with the Tangle teezer, which has shorter, more densely packed bristles that will give a more thorough detangling. And of course, I start detangling from the ends and work my way up to the roots. After that detangling is done, I twist up that little section, which will make the whole process of styling a lot easier. I then go ahead and repeat that entire process throughout her head. After all her sections are nicely detangled and twisted up, I go ahead and rinse them out and gently squeeze those twists to get any excess product and conditioner and buildup out. Then I proceed with moisturizing and styling. Before I moisturize her hair, I like to gently squeeze her hair into a towel just to get any excess water out. Then I go ahead and use wild growth hair oil and just saturate her scalp with it and give her a nice scalp massage. After that, I go in with Cantu's conditioning twist and lock gel on each section, and then go over top of that with some more of the wild growth hair oil just to seal in that moisture. Then I retwist it and proceed to another section before getting ready to style. So that's it, my loves, for my baby girl's wash day routine on how I cleanse and moisturize her hair. Stay tuned for her styling video coming up next.